Alright, welcome to February 2018 on Spray Paint Art Secrets. We're going to start off this month with a very cool city and galaxy painting. This is actually super quick, and you could do this live really quick. And we're going to use some tools that you may not have seen before that come from clay working world. So I'm going to explain in the membership area. You get to learn all about the different kinds of clay working tools that we can use to create cities and effects that look a little bit like DNA or like H.R. Geiger kind of painting, and a whole bunch of other cool stuff with these clay tools. And we're going to add some cool effects using our comet technique, but we can do it a little differently by curving that paper and making the comets look like they're shooting over the city instead of just diagonally across the painting. And there's just so many things you can do with these simple tools. So here's another use of our clay tools to make the DNA strands there. And then we've added a little figure with some chakras and just some other fun mystical stuff. If you like to improvise sort of in a spiritual theme, this is a really fun way to go. And just more tools for your painter's toolbox, whatever kind of painter you are, whether you're acrylic, oil, watercolor. There's something in these techniques that will be helpful and useful to you. For example, spray paint art is amazing for underpainting oils. It actually mixes really well, color-wise and look-wise. Well, of course, it depends on the brand, but I really enjoy doing that with the brands that I use, which are Comex and Montana Water-Based 300. And then we're going to move on, and we're going to do another landscape with a beautiful kind of cloudy sunset sky, and we're going to add some very lacy kind of trees. The trunk is just simple, made with a brush, but once we get down to the leaves, we start using some interesting tools that you might find in your hardware store. And paper. Torn paper can be an amazing tool for adding very sharp flashes of detail. So here I've actually done the highlights on those trees with torn paper. And I'm going to show you more things that you can do by cutting paper. I'm going to really take some time. We have an extra video. It's not just 5 videos this month, it's 6. In this extra video, I'm going to go into detail about cutting paper to make different kinds of effects. For example, this sort of fractal-like cut that you can use to make these sort of ghost-like towers in the distance of the castle painting. And I'm really going to go into cutting paper and how to make cloud effects with that paper that you've cut very precisely. And then we're going to do a landscape with a mountain and foliage and just kind of a sunset improvised landscape. And I'm going to show you again more of those tools from the hardware store and how to use them and how to just improvise these beautiful scenes using newspaper, a spray can, or you can do these things with your airbrush. You can combine your acrylic paints with airbrush to create these effects, and it's so much faster and more beautiful than if you were to do it with a brush. So if you're an acrylic painter, for example, I highly recommend having just an airbrush handy so you can do some of this layering, because some of the effects that you get with the layering are really amazing. So here is where we're really going to enjoy our paper cutting effects. I'm going to show you how to make this space castle with the spiral galaxies. And so there's lots of cool stuff this month. If you would like a free lesson, if you're curious about this, go to spraypaintartsecrets.com and sign up for your free lesson by putting your email in the form and pressing return, and wow, boom, to your inbox. You're going to have to say that you want to receive our emails, and then once you say, yes, I would like that material, you can open up your email, and there it'll be the free lesson by Gerardo Amor, one of the original spray paint artists of Mexico, teaching you how to make the most gorgeous planets you could ever imagine, plus our very detailed and useful free materials list, all for you. If you have any questions, my name is Elisa Amor, and you can email me personally at spraypaintartsecrets@gmail.com. See you inside. Ciao.